Welcome to Funded.now, the ultimate hub for futures prop traders. On Funded.now, you can compare prop firms side by side, account to account, firm to firm, with powerful filters that help you find the exact account that fits your strategy. Trade micros? Hate consistency rules? Want EOD drawdown? Just set the filters and find your perfect match in seconds. You can also use built-in tools like the consistency rule calculator, lot size calculator, and drawdown simulator to plan before you risk real capital. Check which prop firms are available in your country, track your trading expenses, and stay updated with the economic calendar. All in one place. Stop guessing. Start choosing smart. Go to Funded.now and find the prop firm that fits you.
Hello guys. Good morning everyone. Good morning guys. Happy Monday everyone. How are you today guys? You missed him? Yeah, we pretty much closed the bottom yesterday. I will explain. Yeah, it's okay. I will explain. Don't worry about this. You will understand this. Let's just wait for people to join, so I don't want to repeat this several times. But I will explain. It's not a problem for me. Good morning everyone. Yeah, we're gonna talk about bias. Yeah, just let's wait for people to come because I don't want to repeat like 5-10 times. Same idea, okay? Just let's wait for 5 minutes. How was trip to Miami? It wasn't bad. So idea of the stream was we wanted to look for apartments or houses because we're going to move in 4 weeks. We don't want to buy. We want to like live for 1 year there first to see if we're gonna like this or we're gonna hate this and figure out if we want to stay or continue moving. But yeah, we found some options. We want to rent. Yeah, it was my idea. We want to go on Friday because office is like actually opened, and we look for some skincare routine. It doesn't look good, but I'm going to go tomorrow 7th, right? I'm going to go to hydrofacial tomorrow, right after stream. Guys, if you missed my yesterday stream, we talk about bias on oil, on indices. We do like market routine, market prep for the week, and so far, actually, let's check oil. Look at oil, guys. This is so good. We want to see higher first to sweep these highs, and then lower. Look where we're reversing right now. Maybe not reversing. Maybe we'll go lower, but right now it looks so good, so good. What is that? Oh, we have like double SMT. Okay, guys, I guess we can start talking about our bias. Even yesterday, second trade idea on longs on NQ play out. Right? Well, so what we're going to do, first I'm going to explain why I expected to get reversal from 993, if not reversal, at least retracement. So it was 50% of hourly fair value gap. I believe hourly, I don't remember. It was 50% of hourly fair value gap, and since we partially filled that gap over here, I want to see 50%. When we have liquidity void or big range fair value gap, yeah, we can do Sunday dig early. I guess it's not a problem because I sit in front of my charts at this time anyway, doing like my levels and so on. I guess we can stream. I'm not going to promise to take every single setup I see on Sunday, but yesterday, like 2 trade ideas play out. I was surprised, but as I said before, I never traded Sunday on indices on Sunday. So that's why I was like, I was kind of scared to take, but it's not a problem. We're going to use to this, right? It's not a problem. So it was 50% of hourly fair value gap. I wanted to see since once again we have big range fair value gap, 50% of big range fair value gap as well as on order blocks acts as support and resistance. So at this point, as long as we stay above 50% of big range fair value gap, it's bullish. That's why I want to sweep of this fair value gap reversal. Makes sense, I hope so. At the same time, ES and Q stayed above monthly open while YM swept this level. So since just one instrument of 3 swept monthly open, so technically traded below monthly open, I was looking for reversal. And trade idea of longs was from 1018, so we wanted to long from here yesterday. Based on 1 minute and 2 minute setup, because on 3 minute chart and 5 minute chart we got nothing. Alright. Something hurts here. Whatever. I still would like to see 420. We discussed this level last week, I guess. Last Tuesday. Last Monday. So technically it's possible daily OB. Even if it's going to retrace lower first, maybe I'm gonna look for longs today. Because look how ES keep respecting this level. So basically keep sweeping this 66.47, which has had to be daily OB, but still keep failing to be a daily OB because we're sweeping, but cannot close above this level on daily chart. So far, it keep offering fake signal of longs, but it means nothing. Since YM and ES already offered, YM actually offered OB, ES keep failing, but NQ kind of struggling, makes sense to pump on NQ toward this area today, maybe tomorrow. No, not today, today. I would like to see 420. Highest level, I will expect 50% of daily week at 581. I would say I wouldn't mind to see NQ today to this area. If it's going to retrace lower and will offer bullish stop, I will try to long NQ today. Because I don't really have levels on YM. And on ES, probably it's going to be a range between previous weekly high and 50% of daily week as well over here. So that's possible area of retracement reversal. Can we see some short trades from 450? Technically, yes. Depends what will happen first. Technically, it can offer a reaction. Hard to talk about a reversal yet, but reaction back to the range makes sense. Guys, what do you think about my analysis? So maybe it's gonna look something like that, but I wouldn't mind to see higher first. Okay, let's do like this first. I wouldn't mind to look for longs. We have like internal SMT. I don't think it's important, to be honest. You said 20, yeah, totally possible. Yeah. That's really hard to say right now about like, I don't think it's important. Technically, yes, we do have this, but I don't think it's important. I hate to trust SMTs before market open. It's always like, you know, hard to trust this. No, if it's going to start, if we're going to see setup before news, it's fine. I'm going to take this. Not gonna wait for news. But you want to see. You said reverse, but not retrace. How far you want? Like, okay. I would like to see probably reaction from previous weekly high to back to 200. Yeah, technically we can get 150 points. But I probably will consider this as retracement. I just don't want to long right now, but I will look for 420. I would say like this range here. Yeah, no reason to predict. Let's see what market will offer us. But ideal plan is this one. So probably gonna stick to this plan. Exactly right. 50% of, I would say, order block of any OB, but 50% of big range fair value gap acts as support and resistance. And basically telling us if it's going to be high probability fair value gap or order block or not. That's why 50% is important. Once again, maybe ICT uses in a bit different way. I notice it works for me, so I'm gonna use this. All right. For gold and for oil, it's really hard to say. Yeah. I mean, the choice is where I wanted, but I don't know. It's just kind of choppy right now. Yeah, we have 5-minute OB. I don't know, guys, if I want to trust this. Kind of not ready yet. Let's see where two are just for fun. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Not ready to trust this yet. We're gonna see. I'm not going to take this, I guess. I don't really like this. But the idea is, the retracement on NQ makes this kind of valid trade. But at the same time, I kind of question this. So, I guess I'm not going to take this. I'm just going to read the tape. But looks good. Not going to take this. It's fine. Gold reach for value gap. Let's see if it's going to offer a nice shift in structure on medium time frame or hourly chart. I would say 15, 30 minute or hourly chart. If so, we can try to short gold. If not, we're not going to short gold. That's pretty much it. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Nice rejection so far. We dropped like lots of points. 50 points? 47. It's not bad reaction, but once again, I don't really like this because on 1 hour chart seems like just pull back. If you look for scalp short, it will take 47.78, so it will drop more to this level. Like, be ready for move towards this area maybe first. Maybe it's gonna look like that, but as long as it stayed inside bullish, at least short-term trend, I'm not gonna short this, but I don't mind to see it drop here. Guys, what do you think about the test of 46.80, 75 area? Yeah, I'm not ready to short this. I don't really care about like if it's going to retrace right now to 46.80. I truly believe this level is going to be key point to consider short or long. Right now, I mean, definitely nice reaction from fair value gap. But means nothing, I would say. Between 675 680. It should go somewhere here. Yeah, Daniel, you're right. But I wouldn't actually short this simply because even if you want to use our model here, can we see something? No. We cannot see anything here. Pasha, you talking about gold? I mean, once again, as long as we don't have hourly shifting structure, it's bullish, short-term bullish. But I would like to see lower. You said yes. Yeah, I will look for longs today. Let's hope it's going to offer this scenario for us. I hope it's not going to be immediate pump right at the open. Let's hope together. Because it can be our perfect plan for the day. Ow. Message. Oh, forgot this. 1 second. and back. You said you lost your 2 TradingView evaluation accounts due to spike in 1 minute on MNQ. Let me see. Which spike? Oh, this one? I mean, guys, I don't know how you trade pre-market on indices. That's why I don't really understand how people trade London. This is such a garbage. Like we have like 0 volume. All right, let's wait for market open. We prepared our analysis. Ow, 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 ow. Let's wait for step. This is for gold. Well, probably it's not just going to drop here. It's fine. Look at oil. Oil, what's wrong with you? I mean, nothing wrong. It's really nice setup here. Yeah, I got it. Okay, I never ever traded London. That's why probably it's really hard to talk about this. And really hard to imagine I'm going to trade London. Let's see if it's going to retrace for us so we can long today. All right, all right. For first time in long... Yeah, we're gonna see. I'm waiting for the trade. Yeah, maybe I'm asking for deep retracement. Maybe just will take this internal liquidity level, but let's hope it's going to retrace. Gold should go lower to this area. We discussed this before. Oil still has remaining liquidity higher. 2 are right above liquidity level. Actually, 2 are is here, but doesn't really matter. Okay, guys, let's wait for market open and let's see if it's going to offer perfect opportunity for us. How... Well, when we have like 1 day pass, if it's not epics, guys, I never try to pass for 1 day. Especially like, you know, guys, TradingView accounts, it's not cheap. Gross plan, I mean. I don't want to actually try to full port them if like epics accounts like $20, TradingView accounts cost like 3 times more and like higher. So I don't like to full port TradingView accounts to pass for 1 day. I would try to take my time and like, divide this in 5 days. So like guys, your evaluation account is your like challenge account for a reason. So it's trying to challenge you to see if you can be profitable and actually pass this challenge, or you're going to just gamble and like, okay, maybe I'm going to pass, maybe I'm going to fail. Evaluation is your practice before you're going to get your funded account. So full porting this, I mean, I don't see reason to do this. Even if you like profitable, it's great practice. I still keep buying evaluation accounts. I don't really need them, but when I see I'm not super confident in setup, but definitely worth to try, I do this on evaluation accounts because once again, evaluation is your practice account. TradingView also increased profit target for select 50k from 2500 to 3000. Yeah, I remember this. Okay, for gold, this one, 44.15. But once again, still I want to see higher. It's from yesterday. We discussed this on Sunday's team yesterday. 50K account depends. Okay, not depends. It's going to be, until you build the buffer, your risk per day, not per trade, is going to be $250. I know your daily loss limit, if you have this daily loss limit, is around like 1,000 something. But I truly believe you need to have personal daily loss limit until you build the buffer. Then you can increase your risk. But as long as you're below the buffer, $250 risk a day is all you need. For 150K account, I approach same this as 100K accounts, around $350, $450. All right. Make sense? Hope so. So ugly right now on NQ. Just, look at this. I have this long weeks. What this means actually? It's like second day in a row. Look at this consolidation right now. I don't like it. I don't know what I'm going to trade. Maybe it's going to be gold. Maybe it's going to be oil. Oil so good today. Maybe it's going to be NQ and ES. Damn. Well, it was so good setup. According to our model, right? Hourly sweep, 5-minute OB. Yeah, we will see. Yeah, yesterday I also said I'm kind of more bullish. That's why I did not expect to get a big move down. Doesn't really make sense to drop yet until, you know, like even tomorrow. Depends what Trump is going to say. Maybe it's going to be a huge sell-off. Maybe it's going to be a huge pump. Considering seasonalities, guys, like ignoring news, this month in May should be bullish. So maybe tomorrow will be good news and it will pump hard. So once again, considering like overall like seasonality, 10 years of data and so on, we should pump this month and next month to drop probably in June or start dropping in June. Maybe start, not to drop. That's why like it's really hard to short this, knowing this, but once again, totally depends on news that will happen tomorrow. I still believe it's going to be nice setups today, tomorrow, and like overall this week. So I just don't want to say I want to like short this market hard. No, I don't really want to do this. I can anticipate some retracements, but I would say it makes sense to go higher, just a little bit more higher. I will look for long on NQ probably today, because I really don't have levels on YM, and ES already hit my level, so I guess we will place MNQ trade today. At least we will look for setup, then we will see what market is going to offer us. Well, good, but look at this perfect pump here. At the same time, index is just stuck. Nothing is going on. Yeah, Daniel, I just realize I don't need to stick to just one, like, and saying like, okay, I just want to ignore NQ because I blew lots of accounts because of NQ. I mean, like everyone blew lots of accounts because of NQ. If I will see setup, I will take this. Just maybe smaller size. But once again, if it's going to be a good setup, we should take this. Just need to stop being scared of this. Yesterday it was like nice. If I want to compare ES, YM, and NQ yesterday was textbook. Yeah, Daniel, I believe in March I traded gold like 2 or 3 times. I don't know why, what happened. But at the same time, yeah, gold does not offer good setups, but at the same time, indices do. They do offer good setups, so no complaints, you know. We still can find a trade every single day. Sure, I'm gonna speak at 1. Well, alright, we're gonna look for something. What kind of... No, I need YM here. Yeah, we're gonna see what will happen. Today, I'm going to stream on Tradify TV today. Actually, PM session. I wish I could add third instrument, but it's okay. I mean, once again, maybe this market is really hard this first half of this year, but honestly, guys, still we can scalp, we can get nice setups. So I cannot say like I want to buy the market back. I mean, I still make money from this market. Maybe it used to be more, but at the same time, it's fine. Hello, George. Well, guys, market is open. Let's see if it's going to bring some opportunities for us. Gonna switch on 15-minute chart. Nothing significant happened yet. All right. So I would like to see probably RTH retest of previous weekly high on NQ. Let's see if it's going to pump a bit more. My target for IM session is going to be this range, this gray box between 420 and 581. Oh, please just don't pump right at the open, please. Don't do this right now. We got RTH test of previous weekly high. Let's see if it's going to retrace first for us to long. See also for 2R already. Nice retracement on gold. Still we have remaining level like over here at 46.78. It should go, at least try to go there. I mean, nice pump here. We got, once again, if you're going to switch on RTA chart, you will see we swept previous weekly high level, right? It's cool. Hello, guys. Let's see if it's going to be a retracement from here. Please. Once again, it's really risky right now to engage in this market. I mean, I just don't see reason yet. Absolutely amazing pump here. Let's see if it's going to just... Please, can you like stay away from 420 for now? I'm just asking. Can you please retrace first? We'll long later, I promise. I want to take perfect trader today. I feel like we're gonna kill this today. I do like rejection right now. Come on, come on. You can do this, I know. Oops. Drop it. First, drop it. Maybe the test of 200, 175 area on NQ. YM looks good. Look at this move down. Even on ES, look at this move down. Looks so good. But NQ kind of struggling. Come on, NQ. Don't be shy. It's not that hard. Just trust me. Come on, baby. A bit lower. First. We will long later, I promise. Don't pump yet. 420 is going to be my target. Don't go there yet. Please. Hate to trade right at the open, so I never trust this. Hope it's not going to go to 420 right now. Wait! Wait! Not that fast. Ah. It's fine. I guess so. No complaints. Well, let's see. Don't you like this? Hello, hello. Good morning, guys. Hope it's going to retrace lower first, so we can long later. Even silver bullet for long will be brilliant. I kind of would like to see like internal sell side taken first. My favorite, Lucid, Tradify, Epix, TPT, what I missed. Funded next futures, especially the bold plan, and E8 futures. It's new prop firm. It's not new prop firm. It's new for me. E8 futures, brilliant. Okay, so I would say it doesn't really important yet. We got internal SMT, not internal SMT, like bigger SMT at these lows, but still, I wouldn't say it's important yet. Just bullish. That's a problem for us because we want to long. I mean, it's nice because we want to long, it's bullish, but at the same time, please don't do this right at the open. I have bad feelings right now, guys. It's going to pump without us. All right. It's okay, it's okay. Need to stay positive, guys. So I heard about this prop firm. I don't. Once again, just everything's so good. How is it going to make money on this? That's a question. That's why when it sounds so good, I never trust them. But once again, you need to try this first, get payout, and then if it's going to be nice, everything perfect, no complaints, you can start looking like recommending this. For me, like straight to funded option and only option, it's kind of, you know, I never trust this. Kind of, oh, NQ, you're doing perfect job. I mean, thank you. The question is, closure below this level should offer some shorts, but it's going to be horrible risk reward. Doing exactly what you wanted. I guess it's just going to drop without the closure, so probably no trade here. At least it's dropping. Seems like it was Judas swing. Let me see on YM. 1 second, guys. I'm gonna look what level I would like to look for shorts. Problem right now in Q, probably just going to drop there. No, actually we have a gap, so probably it will feel this. Like... I don't know. I'm looking for long, so probably we'll just... I will just stay away. I just want to see like lower to long. No reason to short this. Even if it's going to drop. Sorry, guys. Looks ugly on low time frame. Should drop lower to 100, 175. Where I wanted to see 1 second. 200, yeah. Over here. Well, it's a horrible risk reward, you know. We got the closure below the subclose candle, so technically it can be OB. I don't know, like it's not worth it to short this simply because it's still bullish. MMXM only. I don't want to short. I truly believe it's still bullish. No reason to short bullish market. Like, stop. Trend is our friend. Stop fighting with this. We need to ignore every single short right now until we see invalidation on high time frame. I'm not going to short this. I still believe we need to go higher. So shorts are probably not smart. I mean, once again, I want to sell over, but no reason to short. I would call this unnecessary losses, especially if you're looking for long. Like, what's the point to short this? Let's wait for the retracement, because I would say no model here. It just like from level to level. You know, Maxim only. I mean, when we have 30-minute sweep, 3-minute OB, that's brilliant. That's really good. But at the same time, what is your bias? It's still like a bit more bullish. What's the point to trade against the trend? But once again, I see setup for short right now, and it's here. I just don't really want to try this simply because it's against the trend. Normally, when it's offer setup against the trend, it has lower probability to play out. I don't even want to try an evaluation, guys. No, I'm going to stay away. I'm just trying to learn from my mistakes. If it's going to retrace and will offer my setups that we planned, I'm gonna take this. Right now, like, no reason to probably catch this, especially if you're looking for longs. It's fine. We plan the trade, we're going to trade this plan, right? It's fine. Zero reason to try to trade against the trend, because this retracement actually maybe will not happen, right? Let's just wait. Especially it's 940 only. Maybe like 950 silver bullet will offer something. Yeah, Chris, I'm going to show you in real time what I promised to explain. Let's wait for 10 to at least understand what will happen. Right now, just consolidation, like seriously nothing is going on. Oil took key level at 113, trying to absolutely amazing on oil today. We could take oil long and just be done for the day, but we decided to stay away. So yeah, I would say, like, technically retracement is okay. Maybe I want to see a bit more, like 40 points lower, but technically it's fine. I mean, yeah, you're doing good. Yeah, it's pumped like almost $2. Ah, brilliant. Piano music, I forgot about this. I'm going to try to download Russian remix music. So I'm going to try to see if I'm going to have any violations of copyright. We're gonna see. So I will try to download tonight. It's going to be remix. Guys, I'm not in trade. It's going to be remix. Guys, stop asking if I'm in trade. If you cannot see Ninja Trader on your screen, this means I'm not in trade. I always show executions. Yes, over here, at the left side. So choppy right now. I don't like anything. Kind of questions this. Yeah, we can actually mix like relaxing music and like Russian remix music. I didn't mean to be rude, by the way. Sorry about this. Once I'm in chat, you always see this one. Always. I don't hide executions. Frank, stop. I'd never hide executions. Zero trades, like seriously today. TPT accounts today. I mean, maybe we will trade evaluations if it's really going to stay garbage, but right now, like, plans to trade funded. Such garbage right now, but gold makes sense to chase a bit lower. Let's switch over here. I like nothing yet. Let's see if it's going to offer setup like doing silver boat. We're gonna have news at 10, right? Yeah, it's just right now. Since we're consolidating right now, maybe we're gonna get nice expansion. Let's hope so. Let's hope to get this one. Just looking right now, YM will look better for longs. Let's switch on YM. But 420 is our key level. We should go there, but come on, it's just garbage right now. Cannot trust this yet. If it's going to pump, like, I'd see zero reason to long this. Yaktis, you're right. It's not nice. $420. I would say see the gray box. We should go there. See the gray box on ES. That was my target area if I decided to long, but I really wanted to long from like obvious liquidity level. It was at 200. That's why like it's scammed. Accept this high. Let's see if it's going to break a structure to upside to try maybe long on YM, because only YM may look for good for longs. Right now, no reason to engage in NQ because your risk reward is going to be less than 1 hour. Well, no break of structure yet. It's just ugly right now. What's wrong with this price action? Nothing wrong. We're going to wait for silver bullet. If it's consolidating right now, nice expansion is coming. No reason to give up. Right? It's 947 only. Where's your final TP? You want to see 420? I don't really target like old new week opening gap on RTY. I don't really need this. All I need is NQ to go to this area. That's pretty much it. It was original plan. But original plan was long from 200. It's fine. Where's New York midnight open? Let's look at that. Look at this. London high, New York midnight open. They left this. Which means maybe 420, maybe this gray box and some longs. I believe it's bank holiday, but at the same time, still there is volume. I mean, definitely could be better, but it's okay. It's fine. It's still tradable. Yeah, I remember. I'm gonna check this. I didn't have time. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna check this. Thank you, thank you. Let's see if break of structure will be offered. We can try to trade 2R on YM. Because only YM can offer good setup right now. UK bank holiday. Yeah, that's probably why it's like this. Gold should drop a bit more, but once again, you're not going to get you're not going to get 2R. You got the closure here. You're gonna get like 1.3R. Oh, you sent me a message? Let me see. Oh yeah, looks good. Yeah, I'm gonna check your indicator. Just, I forgot yesterday, I was busy right after my stream. So... moving so bad right now. Guys, did you take any trades today? I'm still flat. I mean, we have a plan. Right now, we just need to wait for this plan. In London, you're doing good in London, by the way. Well, I mean, same, see? Kind of choppy. I mean, no. Let's test this. He's just trying to help me to create indicator, which probably is going to be free. You don't need to buy anything. Nice propulsion block, nice SMT. Oh, you got one. Oh, that's cool. That's great. Let's see if we're going to get in YM probably. Let's see if it's going to offer setup for us, long setup on YM. So I'm looking for break of structure to upside to try long for 2R. Not right now. It's not trade idea yet. I'm looking for break of structure to try this. This one. Cannot put this at the right, or I did. 1 second. Yeah. Here we go. Let's see if it's going to break a structure first. Nothing yet. I would say oil expects hourly or 30-minute sweep so good. I mean 3-5-minute OB. Especially like after gold started consolidating. Not YM, CL doing this so good. So 420 on NQ is about to be taken, not great. Let's see if you're going to catch this on YM. How big risk? It's nothing. It's 88 points. Really acceptable. Let's see. Nothing yet. It's not trade. Guys, it's not trade idea yet. You said you're long from 326 on NQ, right? Good job. Oh, technically you long this OB. Good job. No break of structure. Are you kidding me? Such a garbage. And Q still has room to go higher. You here for vibe? I'm here to trade something because I wasn't able to trade London. Was it NQ? I think so, right? It's 3-minute chart. Yeah, seems like. Good. Again. Doesn't look great. How big risk? It's nothing, I guess. It's like 80 points. Let me see something. Maybe I should try before waiting for... Wait, 1 second. I want to see risk first. It doesn't look bad. The setup doesn't look bad. Still wants to see a break of structure. Yeah, it still can play out, guys. Maybe we'll take this one. Yeah, Trump is going to speak at 1. Someone said, if not mistaken. Good morning, Bella. How are you? News in 6 minutes. Let's see. Maybe we're gonna catch this one. Would like to wait for the closure. It's like 80 points risk with 5 makers. It's less than $200. It's really worth it to try. It's just preference. It's something between 1 and 5 minute chart, but not like 1 minute chart because lots of noise on 1 minute chart, but not 5 minute chart because risk is less. Like it's just, I know, like it's just something like golden spot. Something in the middle. Yeah, news in 3 minutes. Need to get the closure above this level to try. Yeah, Frank. I mean, probably, but not right now. We don't have setup yet. I wouldn't mind to get in longs. But who knows if it's going to offer the closure. We're gonna see in 1 minute. But right now, it's not set up. Have to sit on my hands right now and just wait, unfortunately. Still, I mean, once again, we're gonna see. NQ did not hit 420, so I still would like to see maybe minor pump to 420 and immediate rejection. We're gonna see, guys. We have news at 10. I don't see reason to execute before news because you have no idea what will happen. Right now, it's still flat. Let's see if it's going to offer the closure. If not, like, no reason to even talk about longs. I would like to see, yeah, 420, I would like to see this. Never got the closure. Are you kidding me? Keep waiting. It looks good, but I don't like we don't have closure yet. It's not going to be like 2R, but potential like 1.7, 1.8 if it's going to offer the closure, because your engine is not going to be at this line. It's going to be somewhere like here, somewhere. But once again, no closure, no longs. These are going to miss this or it's going to fail to close. You said 15 minutes for a while. Good, let's see. This one? The issue right now that probably it will go to 420 first. Who knows, but maybe it will go to 420 first, which is painful, unfortunately. Have to wait right now. No reason to like engage. Boring price action. I mean, not boring, it looks good, but just a bit slow. Closes. It's just slow. It's fine, guys. It's fine. Take your time. No reason to be in rush. We have 90-second charts on NinjaTrader. By the way, actually, yeah, we should have this. I believe here as well. Oh, no, never mind. Guys, news in 40 seconds. Everything can be either destroyed, our perfect line will be destroyed, or it's going to play out without us, because we're going to get the closure either right above this level, or it's going to fail to close. Which is not good. And Q needs to take 420. 470. Like some 420 is like at least 420. Come on, 420. Take 420. Ah, are you kidding me? 416? We got the closure retest. 420, your market is a scam. Well, it's just crazy, guys. But textbook, dumb. Well, at least we hit 420, guys. At least something good happened. Right now we can start looking for setup. This one wasn't bad. Well, guys, listen. When it's garbage, I'm doing good normally. That's the problem. When it's not shit price action, I always lose. And yeah, maybe you need to say like, why are you saying always? Because guys, always. When it's like shit, like call me, guys. I'm going to help you. When it's textbook, like forget about my name. I'm not going to just trade against me. I'm going to be your liquidity. All right. What I can say? What else I can say about this? I need to sync this. Okay, this should be pink one. Okay. All right. Yeah, let's see. Right now, the action from 420 makes sense. But the question, how big the action is going to be, right? Chris, are you here? For example, here's example when we have bigger SMT with internal SMT. So we got bigger SMT at these lows. See this? Internal SMT, which either will confirm, once again, if we don't have internal SMT after we got bigger SMT at obvious liquidity levels, if no internal SMT, this is signal that most likely we're going to reverse. But reverse, what should we have for reversal? Shift in structure on 3 instruments, ES and QYM. But if it's going to offer internal SMT without taking higher from level and 0 signs of shift in structure to downside, you can trade 3-minute, 5-minute OB. I wouldn't trust 1-minute chart, but that's why I wanted to long this one, simply because we got internal SMT, break of structure, 3-minute OB. So that's a sign of potential continuation higher. Make sense? That's how you can actually understand if it's going to be reversal or continuation. At least right at 10. Right now, what we need to have, it either once again is going to offer another internal SMT to keep going higher. I don't really want to see this, but that's possible. Or it's going to offer shift in structure to downside on ESYM and QVL short this, which I do like way more. Simply because I want to see the action from 420. What we're gonna trade, I guess we're gonna stay on ES or YM, not in Q. All right, let's look for short right now. I mean, I do like shorts. So at this point, since we got nice and huge wick, we're gonna use just one single up close candles order block. Yeah, like sequence SMT. What's another name of this? How they call this? There is a name. MMXM only. What's the name of this? Like when we have internal SMT. How they call this? I don't remember. There is a name, but I don't remember this name. Okay, short is coming. Damn, can you offer, like, look at this rejection from short warning, like 150 points. I will short, yes. So it's funny because it TP delivered just with one candle. But not YM. YM kind of... Well, it's either going to be yes or YM because they are similar. And Q way more bearish right now. So we don't want to short in deep discount while ES and YM trading near equilibrium. So we need to pick something between ES and YM. But the question is what we're gonna pick. Seven seconds left. Maybe it will retrace for us so we can try to short. We're gonna aim for, if it's going to be in YM, we're gonna aim for 531. On, I don't know what level we're going to aim for, on ES. 590, like internal liquidity level. I don't know yet. I don't know, seriously. Oops, wrong level. Over here. Like 6,600, I guess. We still can get 30 points. YM or which one is better? It's YM on 5-minute chart. We got 5 minutes to be on ES and NQ, but not on... Okay, maybe it will be YM trade, guys. Yeah, maybe YM. I kind of like YM more. Let's wait. It's going to be a micro YM. I guess I'm going to trade 4 or 5 micros. You said 66.13. What you have there? Oh, like, okay, got it. It's going to be YM. Let's see. This chap is ugly, but at the same time can offer a nice setup. Let's just be patient. I still kind of think it was trade of the day here, but it's fine. It's only Monday. So we need to wait for 3 minutes, at least 3 minutes to be on YM to try this, because ES and Q actually offer this shift, YM failed. But I do like YM more, I guess. Just need to wait for shift in structure. At this point, we can start talking about silver bullet for short. If NQ failed to take 420, we could look for long first to short later. But right now, absolutely in love with this reaction from this gray box on ES and NQ. That's exactly what I needed. I was waiting for this. We got immediate rebalance. Still means nothing. Well, overall, of course, I know it looks bad. But YM only makes sense to trade. Because look at this deep discount. Yeah, guys, I trade YM more right now. It doesn't mean like I love YM more. No, it just offers better setups nowadays. But it doesn't mean like I want to stick to YM every single time. It's just better setups once again. I don't cheat on every single asset, Frank. I'm just trying to improve my trading because lots of people complaining on X saying, it was garbage price action on NQ, so I decided to stay away from trading today. What's the problem to trade different markets then? Are you trying to find excuses just to stay away from trading today? Guys, or you can tell me like, I never traded oil, I don't know how it moves. Trust me, if you're new to my channel, if I'm going to show you just empty chart and it's going to be oil, but I'm not going to let you know it's oil, with 110% probability you're going to tell me where market is going to go. If it's going to be naked chart without time frame and symbol. Which means excuses, guys. London, I prefer to sleep. Sorry about that. What I'm not going to change in my trading is London session. I'm not going to trade London session. What we have on 2-minute chart? Yeah, I will trade YM. Because only like right now we can pick between ES and YM. Because in Q way more bearish. And NQ still can drop 100 points. But can I see shorts right now? No. Should I be patient right now? Yes. That's like, I mean, I'm serious. Come on. Stop it. I do trade 1-minute chart, but not always, only when we have straight move up or down. Obviously, I cannot find something on 3 and 5-minute chart, so I have to switch on 1-minute chart to find more information. But I really don't trust 1-minute chart, simply because I think lots of noise there. I prefer to stick 3, 5, sometimes 2-minute chart, but not 1-minute chart. I mean, yesterday we talked about NQ long, pretty much from the bottom. Remember this, guys? That was our trade idea yesterday. It was based on 2-minute and 1-minute chart. I was streaming yesterday, by the way. And we pretty much called a long idea from the bottom. Like, who... I mean, guys. First, we never wasn't drawdown. Second, it pumped almost 500 points. With risk 16 points. It's sometimes painful. But so funny at the same time. Gold will drop more. Just playing games, which is perfectly fine. Please. I mean, so far it's actually with this news it did exactly what we wanted. It should sweep 46.8 soon on gold. But I don't know. We will stay longer, guys, if you need to wait longer for setup. It's fine. Be patient enough. Not to chase. Chris, can you give me the price, please? I had some sort of level here, but I have no idea what this level means. Oh, I know, actually, it's daily order block. See this? Exactly the same. I would say ES and RTY look exactly the same right now. It keeps sweeping this level, but see, no closure, which means what? No closure above this black line means we don't have bullish bias yet. It just fake signal to long this. But if it's not going to close above this black line, guys, soon it will drop hard. Until we get the closure above this black line. Oh yeah, nothing's going on right now. I mean, technically on YM we can pump to previous weekly high and 50% of daily week. But we need to find continuation first for this. It's fine, nothing yet. Wait, guys. Wait. See this? Okay, maybe I was wrong. Well, maybe I was wrong with shorts. Forget about this for now. See how price respects in 50% of 5-minute OBA? Damn, that's strong. Well, forget about shorts. Right now, I changed my mind. I'm gonna switch on MNQ. I changed my mind for now. It's bullish. It's bullish. I changed my mind. I changed my mind. Don't want to short anymore. Yeah, don't want to short anymore. Forget about this. Change my mind. Hope I notice this in time. At least. Sorry about this. I mean, I didn't see short. Why you close this? Never listen to me. If I'm not in short, like, don't close your long. Sorry about this. It can be look. What's the risk? 60 points. 3 micros will be okay. I said 3, right? Let's see. I mean, yeah, you're right about price, but look how it's expecting 50% of order block. What makes order block as high probability will be 50% of order block? Hate I noticed this on time, so it's kind of saved me. Yeah. It's just nice long soon. I said 3 micros, probably 2 micros. It's huge risk. Guys, don't ask me about gold, simply because gold garbage. Gold garbage. And did they say gold garbage? If not, gold garbage. Yeah. So. I would say, today not bad, but we need to find the trade first. Maybe 2 micros worth to try, 1 NQ. But what level would like to aim for? What level one said I would like to aim for? 5. Let's see, maybe 500. Yeah, look at this 50% right at 500. If I'm going to, it's not going to be 2 ARP, but it's maximum contracts I want to trade today. It's going to be 2 micros on NQ because risk is just crazy huge. We will see, guys. If it's going to displace, I will try this. Guys, if you cannot see executions on your screen, what does it mean? Who knows what does it mean? Tell me. I'm not in trade. Highest level I can anticipate today on ES is 66.90. I don't really see higher. Right now it hit my first important level. The problem on NQ, it's already hit my important level. I really want to see like huge rejection from 420. Never happened. I don't know. CL trying to drop. At the same time, if CL trying to drop, indices should go higher. Dasha has shred phone, so War doesn't have any chance. Let's see, guys. I kind of question this long yet. But if it's going to be long, it will be 100% on NQ. Nothing on yes and YM. So right now, it's probably trying to offer shift. See, once again, I don't see 2R steps anymore. Okay, even here it was like 1.8. Guys, since we inside consolidation, we see bullish and bearish setups at the same time. That's the issue. But since it's around like 80 point stop loss, I will trade 2 micros, I guess. We'll partial at 4.97 and probably will leave the rest. Let's see. I may actually try this with 2 micros soon. Should I try this now? I think so. I will put my stop loss here. I think so. 1.4R, I guess. I also question this, but let's see. Trying to displace, I may actually try this soon with 2 micros, I think so. We will not get to R anymore. Forget about this. So I'm waiting for, yeah, I will try long if it's going to right now displace higher, like big up close candle. I will give it a try. First try with 2 micros, this can run $300 on 150k accounts. So waiting for up close candle to try. Hello, Michael. Please don't tell me be careful because I'm looking for long on Q. Waiting for displacement to try. By the way, Michael, how was your weekend? It was long weekend. Nice to see you here. Kind of want to try. I don't think it's allowed to trade. I mean, you need to be 18. Guys, I'm not even 25. I'm way more. I'm not kid anymore. Guys, I think I want to try this. Maybe run. Maybe. Sorry, guys. Just entered. Sorry if I'm wrong. 2 micros. So I'm risking around like $320 on this 150k TPT account. Some of them 250k, some of them 150k accounts. So I just trade different size. On a couple of accounts, I trade 1 micro. I don't know. It offered this up close candle. Maybe worth to try. I don't know. Trying this setup. So basically a bit risk is like acceptable for me. If I'm too early, I mean not too early, it's just chop right now. YM looks bullish. CL looks so bearish. And you're just consolidating right now. I mean, worth to try. Let's see. Maybe we'll wait for another opportunity, but I like it. It's like 1.4. Okay, this CPU. Let's actually move this a little bit. Let's do this one. We'll try to be conservative with levels. Let's do this one. Guys, millions models. I seriously don't know who invented any model. I just trade what I see. It's not because of inversion. We got a 2-minute order block. Price trying to displace. I was waiting for displacement to try. Trying. Michael spoke about what? Oh, I'm going to stay away from predicting where what market will do tomorrow because who knows? I don't know. We do have SMT at highs. Let's see. No shift in structures yet. I'm okay to flip bias again if it's going to offer shift in structure on yes and Q and YM. Maybe we'll cut trade early if I will see shift in structure. I just don't see this yet. YM so... not YM. CL so British. So I will flip my trade. I normally don't flip, but since it's just consolidation, I will look at these lines up. We'll flip my trade below these levels. Just we'll try it like different way. Just waiting for shift in structure on 3 instruments to flip the trade to short. Like based on original plan. Right now, just chab, but still valid. And Michael didn't say be careful yet. Ow. Alpha futures, I guess 50% promo already like expired. Guys, I'm trading 2 micro contracts, so I'm risking $320. Range is huge, just be careful trading like big ranges with bigger contract size. If yes, oh, you cannot see this, let me show you something. If NQ, YM, and ES will offer shift in structure, I will cut my trade and then flip my bias to short. I just saying this because every single time when Michael saying like in my chat, Dasha, just be careful. I take a loss, but he didn't say this. Maybe it's still valid setup. Once again, maybe I'm wrong, but oops. Ow! But I will flip my bias. Let's just offer shift in structure. I will try opposite trade, but probably only yes to reduce risk. He did? Come on, Michael. That was fun. Remember I said before Michael came to my stream, I said every single time when Michael saying, Dasha, oh, just be careful in my chat, I always take a loss. And 10 minutes later, I don't remember. Let's say I wasn't short. I don't remember which trade I took. And I was like, Michael, don't say be careful, please. And he wrote be careful. I was like, guys, we can close this. It's lost 110%. It was painful. It was like whatever, I don't remember. It was just so funny. That's crazy. But also so funny. So basically, Michael given a signal, like be careful equals just flip your position. It was funny. I mean, we can flip without Michael if it's going to offer shift in structure. We will try to flip. He didn't say, yeah. Michael, yeah, he has his way to give us a signal. What a chap. I mean... 452.25. Let's adjust this to the right level, 0.25. All right, it's over here. And final TP set at the right place. Okay. So my stop loss set at 50% of 5 million still, since we keep respecting this. So closure below 50% of this order block on 5 minute chart should offer nice short. Yeah, I mean, I don't know if I'm wrong or not, but as long as structure it still remains bullish, no reason to cut this trade. If 3 assets are going to flip, I'm okay to flip bias as well. I'm looking at least for an attempt to take new high of the day again on NQ. Maybe it will try to go to 50% of my gray bar, so it's basically range between, how to call this, top of potential daily OB and 50% of daily week. We will see, guys. I mean, no reason to talk about this right now. Until structure, it's still bullish, like no reason once again to talk about, for example, reversals or something like that. Just let's try to trend with trend. We don't really have trend, but... if Michael is going to say, be careful right before TP, we'll try stop loss to break even. Because now in this situation... it's best decision ever. It's a break even in history. I will see. Yeah, Chris, you know, like we have SMT right now, definitely we can see this, but do we have confirmation of this SMT by order block? No. That's why I said if it's going to offer shift in structure on ES and QYM, I will flip my bias, because yes, we hit my important level, we have SMT at highs, but no confirmation lower time frame. I'm perfectly fine to flip my trade in case I will see this invalidation. Not yet. YM so bullish right now. And Q just consolidating. ES also consolidating right now. But CL keep going lower. Look at oil. If it's going to consolidate in the next 5 minutes, I will cut this trade. I just don't want to waste my life in this consolidation. I will give you this 5 more minutes. Guys, hit the like. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm running giveaway as well, by the way. Not here. Not here. I'm running giveaway. Over here. Now, invalidation of this trade, closure below 340, and we will aim for 175. I believe we want to aim for 175. Okay, in Q, 4 more minutes to pump, or I'm going to cut the trade. 4 minutes, not more, not less. Technical issue, what kind of issue we have? Not sure I can help you, but I may try. Okay, why I entered long? We respected 50% of order block, but also what happened here? It failed to take this low, which means it may try to take opposite liquidity level over here, which is new high of the day. Dump this consolidation, 3 more minutes. To sit in this trade, or I'm going to cut this. Not going to waste my life. I mean, CL still bearish, like at least in short-term perspective. But in Q doing nothing. You know, guys, if it's consolidation, I hate to waste my life on this. I prefer either to be right immediately or wrong immediately, but it's 2 micros. Yes, I'm risking $320 or so, $320. So I'm not ready to risk a lot in this consolidation. So it's like 2 micros trade. Yeah, not a lot. Not about money at this point. It's just setup. Would like to try the setup. Not risking a lot. Sometimes it's going to be 2 micros. I never hide. I trade like 1, 2, 3 micros sometimes. And Q is pretty much acceptable risk. I can modify my stop loss or TP. It was always... It's my final TP at that level. I'm in with 2 micros. My first level is going to be... My first TP is going to be new high of the day. Second TP is around like 496, around so, 495. Okay, 2 more minutes and I'm going to cut this trade if it's not going to do anything. Oh, it's going to change. So once it's going to take... I hope it's going to take, but who knows. If it's going to take TP number 1, it's going to change to 1. No, it just... ATM order works like that. Damn this chop. Market just doing nothing. That's insane. Look at oral price action right now, guys. I mean, just barcode, nothing else. Wow. I didn't want to hold this. I would like to close, I guess. I have a close here. I don't know. I don't want to hold this. It's just such a garbage. Such a gold. Never hit this level. Okay, 30 more seconds and I will close this. I just don't like chop. $20 more seconds to cut this. And Q, you have 20 more seconds to do something. Otherwise, I'm going to close you at break even. 15 seconds. It's just consolidation, guys. If it's going to manipulate for, I just, you know, like, it still can go higher. I just don't want to waste life on this consolidation. And I want to cut this right now. Oh, you cannot see the sorry, guys. I want to cut this here. $50 loss, I guess. I mean, it's break even for me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And I mean, I was counting not to get this one. Okay, let's wait. At least volatility came in here. What I was counting for? Guys, look at this. Trying to offer break of structure. I will flip my trade soon. We can flip buy soon. Nice, nice, nice. Here's a flip soon. It's not close me yet. Let's see if it's going to close below this level. I will flip this trade. But I will flip this, I guess, on yes, because risk is going to be less. $50 seconds left on this candle. So flip will be like that. To 175. To monthly open and liquidity level here. It's not liquidity level, it's volume imbalance. And I will flip this trade to this level as well. About to flip the trade. Come on, come on, come on. We got this closure. Come on, can you cut me my... It did not hit stop loss yet. That's the issue. About to flip the trade. I'm okay to enter the trade again. Sorry guys, forgot. It did not hit my stop loss yet. Come on, come on, come on. We got disclosure everywhere. No, never hit this yet. You know, guys, when I'm so close to stop loss, I never cut this like before. Here's your short. Not right now, obviously. Actually, it can be 2.5. That's nice. Did I delete my... Okay, I deleted this, I guess. Risk reward tool. So your short is going to be below 50% of 5 minute OB. I will take this. Not your, it's mine. I will take this. Will flip my bias. Below 50% of 5 minute OB. It's not 3 minute OB, 5 minute OB. Short down to 175, 170. And only there, so I would like to get in shorts. Where I'm going to flip my bias. It's right at below my stop loss. Ow. We're gonna see, we're gonna see. I think I'm gonna trade this on ES to reduce risk. I will risk 150 because I'm going to reduce my risk twice, and that's at this point I'm going to short ES, not NQ. Yeah, because setup is going to be exactly the same. We're gonna short on ES below 50% of 5 minute OB. Stop loss, I don't know about stop loss yet. I will keep you updated. Target is going to be 6600, 1.7 R, but I will trade this on ES. Oh, you cannot do this one. Below 50% of as well. On YM, let's see what is going to be on YM. On YM, it's going to be somewhere. What kind of OB is here? This one? It's gonna be below this level, to actually maybe a bit higher. 2R, like potential trade ideas here. But it will be on ES most likely. I will not trade PM session on my channel. I will trade this on Tradify TV today. $1:30 PM. I'm holding like it never stopped me out. Like it's still not valid short for me. Short below 50% of order block. I see no reason. I mean, I wanted to cut if it was consolidation, but since it offered some volatility, no reason to cut. I'm okay with stop loss. Invalidation of long is going to be below 50% of order block. Once again, I'm not scared to be wrong. I'm scared to stay away from taking the trade if I see setup. Here's my trade ideas, guys. On ES, I'm going to take this on ES, not on NQ. Something hurts here. Let's see. ES looks good. 13 points risk to make 25 plus points. It's good. It's really good for me. YM also will be like tight risk around like less than 100 points. It's really good one to make 176. I mean, Asia price action was good. I mean, today it's still tradable. You just need to scalp, I guess. It's not issue at all. Yeah, I'm still holding shorts. Yeah. Oh, not shorts, longs. I'm going to flip my trade below this level because it was original plan. We just expected 50% of 5 minute OB. It was validation of longs to aim for a new high of the day. But once again, it's fine. I'm going to just reduce contract size to try again. Not short yet, not in short yet, and I will short yes, not in Q. Gold, don't ask me about gold. Interesting, because CL remains bearish. But I would say like index is just inside consolidation. Stop loss not yet. About, but not yet. My stop loss is below this low on this candle. I just want to show you setup on ES. I don't want to right now open NinjaTrader because you cannot see half of my screen. But my stop loss is here, like over here. You remember this. Price keep touching this 50% of order block, and that's pretty much it. That's ugly. We'll show the yes. On this trade, I'm risking $320. Just have to be patient right now. Come on, cut this already so we can flip. Guys, I'm still holding this. Nothing changed. I mean, if you want, you can watch this this movement, but you will not see my other charts. So along displacement, on 3-minute chart and 2-minute chart, I was aiming for a new high of the day and attempt to take 50% of daily wick. It didn't work, it's fine. So we're going to back to our original plan. We want to short below 50% of 5-minute OB. Well, perfect. Down $327, it's fine. Right now we're going to switch on ES and we're gonna look for short below 50% of 5-minute OB. Here's my trade idea. We got invalidation, so I'm fine. I'll just reduce my contract size. No, I don't want to recover loss. I just want to trade price action. It was a good try. Here's NQ, trying to break 50% of 5-minute OB. Here's the yes. Well, I don't really trust, like, I don't know, like Trump tweets like mostly manipulation. I know, just hard. Look at NQ trying to break 50%. Looks good. ES and YM still kind of struggling. It's fine. Sorry, guys. No setup yet. I cannot see setup right now on ES and YM. It's still, compared to NQ, looks a bit more bullish. Let's wait for another opportunity. I mean, in my opinion, ES and YM still bullish. Just NQ kind of, I mean, not going to discuss this. Not going to discuss this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Connected also Apex accounts. So far I took loss on my TPT accounts, 2 150k accounts where I traded 2 micros and 3 50k accounts where I traded 1 micro, so it's not big risk for me. I mean, big loss for me on 50k accounts, but still loss. I'm not going to target, I'm not going to trade on NQ. I will trade either on ES or YM. I just, I kind of don't like that ES and YM still look a bit more bullish. But once again, maybe something will change. Waiting for another trade. Only NQ offered invalidation, but at the same time, ES and YM never did this. Don't like shorts yet, but don't want to try long again. Today is not bad as well, just a bit of consolidation, but it doesn't mean it's going to be consolidation all day long, right? I mean, once again, maybe it will drop, who knows, like I cannot see the future, but at the same time, see how ES and YM struggling, I don't like it. Let's check 15-minute chart. Well, it doesn't tell me a lot yet, but respecting 15-minute OB. I know, I still... Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong, but I still like longs. Consolidation, what are you doing with me? Why? Why? It's fine. We're not in a rush. We're gonna get another step. Who are we to give? Right? We're strong. We're not going to give up. I have lots of strongs on my chart. I need to clean this a little bit. I don't know, guys. YM still bullish. Even ES looks a bit more bullish. What the heck NQ is doing? It calls ICT SMT by Fadi. Free on TradingView. Free on TradingView. I just don't like gold, recently. MNQ. Oops. MNQ. Waiting. Yeah, I was trying to long NQ. Didn't went good. Let's see if NQ is going to offer right now shift and structure. I will try this again. Maybe not great idea, but I will aim for new highs today. I don't know, guys. Yes, YM looks bullish still. Connected Apex accounts. You're trying to NQ short. I don't like that YM and ES still bullish. I was trying to long NQ before. I don't mind to try again. But I will try probably on Apex accounts, not TPT. Ow. I have 20 Apex accounts, funded accounts, yeah. Let me clean chart a little bit. My phone number, it's secret. Guys, what do you think about longs on indices? Just your opinion about this. CL still kind of bearish. Once again, I may be wrong. Just asking your opinion about this. What do you think about continuation higher? Do you see longs, shorts, like nothing? I don't have FOMO right now, but I really like still a bit more higher on indices. Just a bit more higher. New highs a day. Maybe short. I mean, on NQ definitely we got confirmation, but I don't know. I still like continuation. I don't know. Yes, YM looks bullish. No reason to predict. Let's see. YM and ES need just offer this closure below 50%. That's pretty much it. Okay, it's just consolidation. Like, let's be honest, it's just garbage. Like, let's zoom out a little bit. See this? You said 15-minute chart clean. Clean for what? Some internal SMTs at highs and lows. I mean, I was choosing continuation. I was praying for continuation. Right now, I don't trust anything. I don't know. Maybe I will try to trade PM session because right now it's just not worth it of my... I don't know, guys. I like longs. Who else likes longs? Is flat? Yeah. Yeah. Why I have so many levels in my chart? I mean, it's so bad. I really was trusting this setup on NQ so bad. I don't know, guys. I would try to long again, but maybe I wouldn't recommend to copy this. That's pretty much it. I'm okay to lose on stream, I just don't want to give you a bad example. I took a long on NQ, I got a loss. I want to long again. So you're not alone. I really see longs, but come on. We'll take this one. I probably will take this right now on Apex accounts, but not on TPT. On Apex accounts, I'm going to risk $160 with 2 micros. Guys, you have to like say, Dasha, stop! Don't do this! What are you doing? It's not gonna work. Please, don't try again. Say something. Or say like, yeah, Dasha, try. Like, 2 losses in a row, it's not that bad. You had a worse situation before. You were in a worse situation before. No, I'm looking for probably 2 micros trade to give it a try again. Guys, I don't see your support. Like, probably you're just praying for my for me to lose again. I mean, I have an idea to try again, but I'm looking at 5-minute chart right now. I don't know. We didn't get the closure here. Maybe I will try this one with stop loss at this low. I mean, sorry guys, I don't know. It's just so choppy right now. Maybe I will try this one. 3-minute OB again. We'll aim for a new high of the day. I think so. I think so. I just don't like how ES and YM still bullish. That's the reason why I would like to long again. But once again, I'm not going to be in a rush. I'm trading my funded accounts, guys. I'm not super bullish. I mean, I just see ES and YM still bullish. And Q looks bearish. I'm not going to argue about this. But once again, maybe I just believe in manipulation before Tuesday, and technically I just tried just guys, I tried just once too long, it was last. I'm just looking for another opportunity, unless ES and YM will prove something else, like we're going lower there as well. I might try. No, I'm not buying again. I'm looking for 3 minutes of bit to try. I just see ES and YM bullish for now. That's probably why I'm still kind of don't mind to see continuation higher. I don't know. Talking about giveaway, guys, let's maybe PM session. Maybe we're doing PM session. We will take this. Here's giveaway, guys. You have 10 more minutes to enter giveaway, but I will run giveaway early, I guess. I don't know. I just probably think it's going to be manipulation to upside until tomorrow. And since everyone anticipates to get shorts, like maybe it will offer like huge week to downside tomorrow during the Asia session. We will see. Yeah, if I will enter the trade, I will tell you. I'm just thinking about this, maybe in my mind. I will try to trace higher. SPX did not have the gap. Wait a minute. You want to tell me this shit happened? You want to tell me it left equal highs on SPX? I mean, well. Guys, let's run giveaway, I guess. And I will stream PM session. Maybe we'll get like second trade. Maybe, I hope so. Because right now, I don't know, it's just garbage. Oh, 1 second. Forgot to turn on giveaway. Now I turn this on. Ready, guys? Ready to win today? Today is going to be Lucid 50k flex plan. Let's start. Okay. Diamond Q, if it's going to pump, we're going to like divorce. We're gonna do something. Here's our first winner, GLX. I'm not going to pronounce your name, but are you here? Yay! You won this account, congratulations. And you were fast enough as well, it's good. Second winner. Our second winner in the chat. Nope. Yes, no, yes, no. It's for everyone. It's a giveaway. Just accounts for giveaway. Wait a minute. Do you know that you just won? It's first time, right? What is this? I mean, congratulations. Finally. Yeah, I'm happy for you. Like, we got 2 winners, guys. I'm going to send you accounts right after stream. It's just garbage right now on indices. I mean, what to say? You're very welcome. You deserve this. You helped me a lot. I can spin on it twice. So... Ow. No, let me update this page. Let's see. Let's wait for 5 more minutes. I'm going to stream PM session because right now, like, really don't like it. Really don't like it. And nothing yet. What a job. But we managed risk properly, guys. Small paper cut. I call this paper cut because it's really like small loss on longs on in Q today. I might give it a try again just later, not right now. It's just garbage right now. It's just garbage right now. I'm going to send you accounts now. Ow. Okay. Let's wait for 5 more minutes to see what is going on. This price action just pain. Yeah, Trump is going to speak at 1. I'm going to stream at 1:30 p.m. today on TradingView TV. On TradingView TV, I'm going to stream. Nothing. I don't like anything yet. Just need to switch on ES and YM to be bearish, so please. I did give away like 40 seconds ago. Gold still need to go here, but this is job. By the way, look at gold. Gold looks pretty much the same as in Q. Do another one. We will see. Not right now. Not right now. Yeah, guys, I will send links to participate in giveaway. You have like almost 2 hours to participate in giveaways, and I run this giveaway, so it's not like 5 minutes giveaways. We need some sort of action right now, like up, down, something. Consolidation stops. It's never gonna stop. I believe this year, like, stop thinking about this. Consolidation not going to stop. Still keep sweeping this level here, cannot close. But still respecting 5-minute order block. That's insane. Not cooked, not really cooked yet. But definitely could be better. My concern here, see this? Look at YM. Cannot short this yet. But I will short either yes or YM, not in Q. In Q too low to short this. At the end of 2026, we're gonna be good in trading consolidation. Yeah, that's true. We're still learning. These small paper cuts really hate consolidation so much. Like, okay, guys, let's forget about this chap. What do you expect to get from ES and Q today? You want to see higher? You want to see lower? And let's ignore like Monday chap and something like this. Do you have like draw on liquidity today? What is your objective for the day? Maybe you want to see like 1000 points lower on NQ and ES. Maybe you want to see a huge move higher first. Like, let's just talk about this. Let's try to think logically about this. We're still above New York midnight open, logically. And logically, we never traded into New York midnight open. But at the same time, what I don't like for shorts to New York midnight open yet is how bullish ES and YM compared to NQ. NQ really trying to drop to New York midnight open, still struggling, it's fine. But I don't like how ES and YM keep being bullish. See, guys, we're still above New York midnight open, and we never ever traded to this level on ES. On NQ we traded 3. I would say like it's still there's a chance to go there, but will this happen like right now as manipulation, or it's going to pump first to drop hard in PM session? What is that? Maybe it looks better on 5-minute chart, it's normal, but let's switch on 15-minute chart. It doesn't look better on 15-minute chart, but still. I would say, okay, if it's going to drop, New York midnight open, absolutely obvious objective on ES. I would say on NQ as well. Just nothing tells me, once again, I don't want to short NQ, but nothing tells me to short ES yet, as well as YM yet. This means we're gonna trade continuation setup. No reason to stay on NQ, I guess. We're gonna switch right now on ES and YM, because we're going to pick between these two instruments. You're very welcome. Your objective was... My objective wasn't to lose money today, but I did. I did good today at this. Trump needs to say something. Like, something. Really bad at scalping. Maybe I need to improve this. Once again, I want to ignore NQ for some time right now. Just looking on ES and YM chart. Would you rather to long or short this? Ow. YM trade to New York midnight open right at the open. Yeah, me too, I would try to long this. That's why I'm waiting for either invalidation of bullish bias on ES and YM to try to short this because NQ bearish. Or I'm waiting to NQ to reverse right now and we will long NQ. Because right now, since two instruments are bullish but one of them is bearish, really hard to short this. But if NQ is going to turn bullish, like it's easier to long. Yeah, no, not in a rush. Happy I took like small loss. It's $327. It's really like good risk at this point on 2 accounts and $170 on my another 50k account because I was trading 1 micro. I was trying to long in Q before. If you just joined, guys. Yeah, but I guess main move will start happening tomorrow during Asia kill zone. That's why I believe it's going to be either consolidation phase today or it's going to be manipulation higher to drop later this week. It was some 150k accounts, some 50k accounts. Just need to get shift in structure first on ES and YM. Will be nice trade. Just not right now. Not right now, guys. Not right now. I mean, right now it's just consolidation, nothing else. Sure, it can happen during PM session, which maybe makes sense. Just makes sense. At this point, we should get another leg higher to short this later today. I will stream PM session. Maybe we'll get another trade. I hope so. What I don't like, look how far we are from 10 AM open on ES, and we just trading above 10 AM open on YM. What about in Q? I mean, in Q obviously below this level, and we never ever traded into this level yet. I'm gonna stay here because there is big chance to get set up soon again. Why I'm really trying to break below 10 AM open, still struggling. It's just consolidation, nothing else. Oil turning more bullish. Gold was so close to this 46.78, but did not take this. And chop again. And chop again. My chart doesn't look clean yet. Come on, Trump, I know you can do this. Just let's post some news. Something good, because we want to see higher. Or at least fake good news. What about that? Yeah, I would like to see manipulation higher. Zero food pick. Let me check financial juice. I mean, guys, I was hoping to get better price action, but it is what it is right now. Well. I mean, market's so confused with Trump posts, I guess. I know, it's kind of bearish. But some posts like kind of bullish, and you're like, well, like, you know, it's bearish. No, it's bullish. No, it's bearish. Oh, wait, maybe it's bullish right now. That's why market kind of, what we're going to do? I mean, we don't know how to react. Didn't know how to react. That's why we consolidating. Today I switched bias like 4 times as well because I was like, oh, right now it's bullish. No, wait, it's bearish. No, it's bullish again. Forget about bearish bias. Let me try to long. You know, maybe it's bearish. No, probably it's going to be long again. And I hate this kind of days because you really question every single move. But I flip my bias as well, like lots of times. Something? What about to do something? Okay, Marcus audit. Nothing. Well. I mean, I took a loss as well. It's not a problem. Impossible to win every single time. It's fine. Funny because most of my new funded accounts start with loss as well. It just like this. If everyone wants to short right now, probably it'll pump first. Let me see it. Michael, we need your help. Where are you? Michael was seems like he was trying to short where I went long. Michael, I mean, it's not fair. You could help us to say, be careful, Dasha. Because he went short where we went long. Damn, that's so funny. Because we went long somewhere here, and he shorted from here. That's so funny. Yeah, Michael could say like, Dasha, be careful. It's by default equals stay away. But no. He ignored us today. Yeah, not in a rush. Let's see. I'm waiting for YM or yes. I'm just not going to touch in queue. Flip the bias right now. Yes, I wasn't long. So I don't remember from here. Where I went long? Somewhere from here. Target was this level. Stop loss was here. It took me out. I was in with 2 micros, so no, not a big deal, but still loss. I mean, Q definitely looks more bearish, but I kind of question YM and ES right now. That's why I'm going to trade either ES or YM. I forgot to use blue, black, and pink magnet. That was the issue, I guess. That's why it went to straight to my stop loss. I mean, happens. Painful, yes, what happens? Happen will happen right after stream. I know, once I'm going to leave, it will offer textbook setup on YM or ES. I know. But you guys hate when I trade off stream. I mean, I hate this as well. But probably it's only the option right now. I'm going to stream at 1:30 p.m. today on Shadify TV. Like in 2 hours. You're gone. Like, honestly, nothing is going on. Oh, I have link for stream. 1 second. I'm going to send you right now. I'm gonna stream here at 1:30 p.m. Send link in the chat, guys, so you can save this. It will not be solo session. I'm going to stream with Rebecca, which is... I'm so excited. Please buy and immediately reverse. That sounds like a plan. A solid plan. Well, guys, let's take a break. I promise it's going to be textbook setup right after stream, so be ready. Right now it's garbage. No reason to waste our life on this. SEO turned to be bullish. We inside consolidation on indices, just ugly. A quick recap, guys, if you just joined. I was trying to long Q, it didn't work. It took me out like with 2 micros on my stop loss. It's fine. If YM is going to offer shift and structure, I will try to short YM. That's pretty much it, guys. I will see you soon in just 2 hours on Shadify TV. It's just garbage right now. I just cannot watch this anymore. See you soon, guys. Don't make stupid mistakes. Bye, everyone. Love you.
Welcome to Funded.now, the ultimate hub for futures prop traders. On Funded.now, you can compare prop firms side by side, account to account, firm to firm, with powerful filters that help you find the exact account that fits your strategy. Trade micros? Hate consistency rules? Want EOD drawdown? Just set the filters and find your perfect match in seconds. You can also use built-in tools like the consistency rule calculator, lot size calculator, and drawdown simulator to plan before you risk real capital. Check which prop firms are available in your country, track your trading expenses, and stay updated with the economic calendar. All in one place. Stop guessing. Start choosing smart. Go to Funded.now and find the prop firm that fits you.